Aging isn't just time passing. Tools only work when habits change. Destructive habit of all. A constantly clenched jaw. Notice your face. Your daily habits are aging your face faster than time. Today, I'm going to show you the invisible habits that are silently pulling your face down without you even realizing it. And once you see them, you won't be able to unsee them. Most people blame aging on genetics, hormones, or gravity. But what actually accelerates facial aging is repetition. Repetitive movements, repetitive tension, repetitive pressure. And you do them every single day. Let's start with the most destructive habit of all, a constantly clenched jaw. If your jaw is tight, your lower face shortens, your cheeks drop, your neck pulls downward, and your face loses softness. Many people don't even realize they are clenching until they really look at themselves. Another silent habit is overusing the mouth muscles. Talking with tension, holding emotions in the lips, pressing the mouth unconsciously. This is how deep lines around the mouth form, not because of age, but because of constant muscular stress. Now, let's talk about the eyes. If your eyes look smaller and heavier by the end of the day, it's not just fatigue, it's weakened eye muscles combined with poor circulation. And the more tired those muscles become, the heavier your eyelids look. Here is the hard truth. Your face is always responding to what you do to it. Not once, not occasionally, but daily. If this is already making you aware of your face, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. In the next video, I'll teach you exactly how to undo this damage step by step. The goal is not to freeze your face, it's to reprogram it. To teach your muscles when to activate and when to release. When muscles learn balance, their face naturally lifts. This is where face yoga becomes corrective. Not random exercises, not exaggerated movements, but precise activation combined with deep relaxation. That's how you stop pulling your face down and start supporting it. Gua Sha helps your face let go of what it's been holding for years. Tension, inflammation, swelling, but tools only work when habits change. You can't release in the morning and destroy your face again all day. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Aging isn't just time passing. It's what your muscles repeat, and repetition either lifts you or pulls you down. So now I want you to ask yourself one question. Which daily habit is silently pulling your face down? And are you ready to stop repeating it? Because once you become aware, you can't blame age anymore.